In this guide, I'm going to show you how to check other WhatsApp messages on phone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now begin by opening up WhatsApp on your phone, and essentially you need to actually link the account through the linked devices. So open up WhatsApp, hit settings, and then you need to scroll down and select linked devices. From here, select linked device. It's going to then, maybe use a Face ID. Maybe it'll have you type in your password, and essentially you need to scan the QR code on the other device. So go ahead and hit OK. It's going to take you to a screen right here. It's going to essentially open up your camera. Mine's currently just sitting on my desk right now. You can also link with a phone number instead. So just hit link with a phone number, type in the code on that other device as well. And as soon as you either scan that QR code or you enter in that code, the account's going to be linked to your phone, and then you can start viewing messages from the linked WhatsApp account on your device. Obviously, only do this with your own account or permission from the account owner. That is the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.